I'm Ian from Bobcat Australia, here in the Hunter Valley, New South Wales, to introduce you to the Bobcat ground maintenance equipment range. The ground maintenance equipment range from Bobcat includes zero-turn mowers, tractors, and introducing the all-new utility vehicles. Let's have a look today. The Bobcat mower range has both sit-down or stand-on models available, suitable to both residential and commercial customers, with deck sizes ranging from 36 to 72 inch. The entire Bobcat mower range is built in the USA. Each model features a Kawasaki engine, a fabricated deck, and heavy-duty componentry. The Bobcat tractor range starts from 26 horsepower up to 75 horsepower, with air-conditioned cab options available in both our 66 and 75 horsepower options. The compact tractor range are designed for anyone to use. They each feature a standard hydrostatic transmission, meaning 1 foot operation, a heavy-duty front-end loader, and a 4-in-1 bucket standard. The Bobcat utility vehicle is designed for heavy-duty applications. Available in both a 3 or 6 seat options, both featuring a diesel engine. The non-DPF engine means easier servicing and maintenance. The large tipper tray can hold up to 550 kilos or a standard pallet, all supported by heavy-duty suspension. So that's an introduction to our ground maintenance equipment. For any more information you might like on our Bobcat mowers, tractors, or utility vehicles, head to bobcat.com.au.